Today is just, it's kind of similar to yesterday's, but I'm wearing a white tank and this that we thrifted as well. The blazer, the Fendi of course, and the thrifted tank top as well. Yeah, my head looks so small with my body. Hey guys, it's Miss Philly. Welcome to my channel, Crazy Thrifting Asians, Nancy and I. Okay, so we've been to 2 Value Villages. We found only one thing at the Value Village by my place, which I will show you right now. We only found this Victoria's Secret little coin purse. I just thought it was so cute and girly. It was only 99 cents. And it's in perfect condition, and it's girly, and because I'm girly, because I'm a girl, okay. Victoria's Secret, super cute, and it's galore to match all my Victoria's Secret gym bags and pouches and makeup bags and all that stuff. Cuteness. We're at Value Village Pembina. We found nothing, okay, nothing here. But to utilize my thrifting portfolio, I sometimes like to go online and search those like selling sites like Kijiji, Craigslist, you know, things like that, Let Go, places like that. So I did see this little item posted, and she had it posted for $40, and I said, I'll take it for $30, and she was like, sure, if you come get it right now. I love it. I love it. That's why don't be afraid to. I know we hate it. Like, you guys saw my Instagram post about somebody lowballing me. So I'm such a freaking hypocrite. But I do like to lowball people because sometimes people are willing to let go other items, luxury, mid-end items, whatever, for a lower price because either they just want to get rid of it, they've had it for too long, they're desperate for money, who knows? I don't care. I just want it for a low price. I'm a reseller. So actually, technically, I'm allowed by like the thrifting reseller guidelines law of nature that I can lowball, but you can't lowball me because I'm a reseller. That's like, that should be like a law. That should be like a thrifting code, okay? Regardless, she listed this there and I was like, 30. She said, yeah, I met her at the hospital, and boom, it is a Tory Burch, almost like brand new. It's like in perfect condition. Continental Saffiano leather wallet. The only wear I see on it is like a little bit of either like a cotton ball or something dark stuck there, and this one little mark right there, if you can even like see that, right, where is it, right here, which I'm sure I can probably rub out. The hardware has no scuffs on it. I think it's missing the wristlet strap, but that's whatever, I don't care about that. $30. Hello, this probably retailed for like over 100. So, and it still has like the paper in it, like, see? And it's in perfect condition. Yeah, it has a Tory Burch lining. Has a place for like your coins, because you know, as resellers and vloggers, we're all about making that coin. Right there. See, look at that. It's really pretty and it says Tory Burch right there. It's a great little wallet. Very summery, very festive, very, you know, a nice pop of color to anybody's, you know, black bag or blue bag, whatever bag. Even if it clashes, I say rock the yellow because it is a good, like, color of pop. So yeah, we paid $30 for that, which is awesome. Really cute. That's odd. Anyway. And then that same website, Kijiji, we picked up this bag. Came with a Tory Burch shopping bag. We picked up this Tory Burch bag. And I know she's had this listed for a while, so I think she was just ready to get rid of it. It is, she had it listed for 120, then I saw her lower it to 100. I was like 70, okay, 70. She's like, okay, if you pick it up right now, I was like, my ass is there. Anyway, it's in really, really good condition. It's just a regular tote bag, really soft leather. Like, it's very soft. It's like in this really cute, there's more true to life color. There, blue right there. A little bit of rubbing on the corners, but nothing major. No rip stains or tears. The inside, it's like a turn lock. Is it a turn lock closure? And some scuffing on the hardware, but I mean, hardware gets scuffed, it's a given. And the inside is perfection. Yeah, see? Really cute. Has one zip pocket, and then this side is kind of cool. You have like one snap pocket here, one snap pocket there, and then that snaps closed, hence the snap pocket description. And then you have two more additional pockets, one right there and one right there. Perfect. Yeah, see, there's a little bit of scuffing on the hardware there. And the front has a little bit of tarnishing and scuffing, but nothing major. I mean, it's used. I mean, this probably retailed for $400. Getting it for $70. Hello. Hello. It's really cute. I like it. My problem with Tory Burch, which doesn't seem to be a problem on this bag, but a lot of her bags have like a really tiny little leather loops where the chain attaches, or this little circular attachment attaches. And to me, that's really like, really... to me, that's eventually going to be problematic because the leather doesn't seem like it would support a lot because it is so thin. Unlike this one, I like that it's thick and reinforced. And a lot of her bags I've purchased in the past or gotten in the past where the leather loop is very thin, and I just feel like it's going to eventually give out, especially if you pack your bag a lot. But this one is not, and I like it for $70. We got that. Yeah, I'll probably list all this on my Instagram selling page or my Depop. Again, you guys know if I list things on Depop, it'll be a little bit higher because of the fees. I don't like no fees cutting in on my profit, okay? Anyway, we got to the Tory Burch. But yeah, we'll go by the Polo Park location. Probably find nothing there. Actually, no, we'll go to the Regent location. So we're going to go to that one, and then we'll see what we find. Bye. Sweater. I saw this brand at Aritzia, a very expensive brand at Aritzia. 100% cotton. It's pretty basic, but I mean, for that price, you can't go wrong. Makes, you know, brand name, basic, pretty good. We'll get it. Dolce & Gabbana Juniors hoodie. Totally authentic. It's just really worn, and the label's like hanging off. Is it supposed to look worn like that? I don't know. Maybe I can take the pilling off. It's only like $7. But it's definitely authentic. You can tell by the label here. And it has the hologram. Dolce & Gabbana. Where is this made in? I don't know where it's made in. Let me check. It's a large juniors. Maybe I can just DIY it, like, because it is in great condition. Maybe I'll just, there's a little bit of staining there. I don't know if I can get that out. I'll try. But maybe I'll just like clean the pilling off of this. Yeah, maybe. I mean, for that price, you can't go wrong, right? I think it's Dolce & Gabbana. Yeah. Not as bad as I thought it was. Here's another TNA top for only $10 when this probably retails for like $40 at Aritzia. And we just found Tallulah, another brand from Aritzia. A little bit of pilling, but I mean, we could probably clean that up. It's really cute. I mean, for that price, you cannot go wrong with that. It's an extra small, though. I am made with cashmere. I'm soft and warm and cuddly. Yeah, probably like 5% cashmere, let's see. Who was right? 5% cashmere, 7% angora, 50% viscose, and 38% polyamide. But for $6, you can't go wrong. I'll definitely sell this. Really cute. Kids and the teens who like Forever 21, I mean, these are cheaper prices than Forever 21. You could definitely, Ardeen. You can find so many different brands here at Value Village. It is a great place to get back to school clothing. Such a good place to take your kids to go back to school shopping, because you just never know what you're going to find. You can find anything from Walmart brands to Forever 21 to Lucky Brand. That's a very expensive brand. Tommy Hilfiger, Aritzia pieces, Hollister. It's just, the possibilities are like endless. And Esprit, definitely something to think about. This is cute. Wi-Fi, ice cream, my bed, perfect. So here's another Tallulah piece, but I don't know if I like that. I mean, it's just, I don't know. But for $9, it's really cute. It's an extra small though. Hey guys, Miss Philly again. Okay, so we're just coming from the Regent Value Village. Okay, my hair's all blown apart. Hey guys, it's Miss Philly. Okay, we're just coming from the Regent Value Village, and we did pick up only clothes today because, I don't know, I've been kind of like Nancy, where I've been kind of like on a clothes kick, but I just wanted to mention that shopping at Value Village, I know a lot of teens are hesitant because they're like embarrassed, or they feel like it's like, ew, it's used, or ew, welfare, or whatever, kind of stigma or whatever comes with thrift shopping. But I just want to let you know that you can find a lot of great pieces at a Value Village, name brand, and at all different price points, from Walmart to Forever 21 to Ardeen to Aritzia to, high end. It's a big, vast majority and variety of brands and price points at when you go thrift shopping. But I'll show you a couple pieces that we picked up. So for the budget conscious teenage shopper, or even like any shopper, but I wanted to focus on teenagers in this kind of segment of the video. I picked up this Forever 21 sweater, and it just says Paris. It's all glittery and sparkly, and Forever 21 is a very trendy kind of fast fashion brand and label. And it's not a really high quality. You wear it for a season and you're kind of done with it. But for the price of $9.50, you cannot go wrong. I believe I've seen this at Forever 21 in the $30 to $20 price range. Even on sale, it still would be like $19.99, sometimes like $15. And I did have a $2 off coupon, so I really only paid like $7.49 plus tax for this. And it's in excellent condition. It's a trendy, it's beautiful, it's girly, and it's Forever 21. It's not the best of quality, but it's definitely going to do the job for you for a season. And I checked that all the sequins were attached, and they were, which I loved. This is for me, actually. Now, if you want to go into a little bit higher end brands, there's a lot of Aritzia pieces here. There's a lot of Victoria's Secret Pink as well. That's more of a mid-end brand for clothing, Victoria's Secret and Pink, and they had a lot, but a lot of them were faded. But I have scored in previous haul videos some really great Pink and Victoria's Secret pieces that were really, really good prices compared to buying at retail. So I found this TNA hoodie. It's in excellent condition. TNA is sold at Aritzia, expensive brand. This was only $6.99, I believe. Yeah, $6.99. This is also for me, extra large. I just thought it was cute, and I've been loving TNA lately, and for fall or even, winter or whatever, it'll be really great to wear that. Now I found this to resell. It's a Tallulah extra small cashmere top, even though it's only 5% cashmere. It's like a sweater. It's really cute. It has that, wide waistband, horizontal stripes, really soft, really fuzzy and comfortable, and it's an extra small. It's Tallulah. This was only $6. And then we picked up this Community, also sold at Aritzia. sweater long sleeve. This is a size large. I might keep it for myself. Really basic, but a staple in everybody's wardrobe, because you can just mix and match this with any kind of outfit. Layer it with a blazer or a jacket, with pants, with jeans, with dress pants, with shorts. It can be layered many different ways, and it's basic, but it's community, and it's sold from Aritzia. Now, if you want to go a little bit of higher end, and high end I mean like luxury, here we go with the Dolce & Gabbana. I told you we got the affordable brand with Forever 21. We have the higher end brand with Aritzia, and now we have the luxury brand with Dolce & Gabbana. This one was in perfect condition. There's a little bit of a stain on the sleeve, which I'm going to try and get out, and there's a lot of like pilling on here, but I think I can remove that, because I mean, for the price of only $6.99 and you got Dolce & Gabbana, like, that's unheard of. The label is kind of like falling off halfway, but it is also a junior size, and you can tell it's authentic by the hologram right over here from Dolce & Gabbana. There's the hologram, and it says authenticity guaranteed by top security hologram. And this is a large in a junior, so I think this would be like a small in women's size. Small. And it's really cute. I'm going to clean it up, and it's a nice basic hoodie. You got the kind of distressed logo. We're going to keep that, and then we're just going to clean up. It's a little bit pilled, and we're going to try and remove that individually so it looks all nice and clean. But otherwise, the sweater, the hoodie is in great condition. There's a Dolce & Gabbana label on the zip pull. And for $6.99, hello. High end for $6.99, yes sir. Yeah, great little finds there. Yeah, so just a little segment in this video of thrifting for clothes for teens, or even just anybody. You can go with affordable with Forever 21, higher end with TNA, Tallulah, and Community, or luxury brands with Dolce & Gabbana. So don't think that it's embarrassing to thrift. It really isn't. It's actually being budget conscious, and you can even like start reselling like I do. But I like to do it both, like to resell and keep things for myself. So anyway, guys, thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to this video if you did like it. Please leave a comment and smash that like button. I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to be progressive, productive, and positive. Love you guys. Bye.